Hi guys, I start the vlog today with something so exciting. I am doing my hair. Long black hair. It will be gone in few hours and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to partner with this amazing hairstylist. Her name is Lila and she have a salon here in Utah, and you guys going along with me. I'm really excited to show you guys step by step and everything. And I know you'll be a big change because everyone knows I have this long black hair for like years and years, and I know a lot of things are coming up and a lot of news for you guys, and I'm really excited. I'm done with long hair, I'm done with black hair, and let's go ahead and start this. I will show you guys more. So here's Lila, and she will tell us a little bit more about her job. So how you became a hairdresser.
I became a hairdresser really early. I actually started hair school when I was 16 years old, and I did it in high school. Then once I finished high school, I actually transferred my hours over to Cameo College. And after that, I was there probably about 10 months, and then after that, I was in a salon for about 5 years. So it feels like I've been in this industry for almost a decade. I work from Monday, I'm off Tuesday, and then from Wednesday to Saturday here in my little studio. Okay. So before we even kind of do anything, I just wanted to strand test it, just to kind of see what we're working with, because I know we have 2 pictures. Okay, so I just got some lightener to do the strand test. So I cut a part of your hair out from kind of like the back, and then I'm mixing lightener. This also has a bond reinforcing, so it's good because when you lighten hair, you lose the protein. This just kind of puts the bonds kind of back together. And then with 20 vol, which is like not the highest developer, but it's kind of like a mild kind of lightener. So I just kind of mix that up, and then I'm just going to put it on the strand test.
Awesome.
And then after I put this on, then we're going to put it in my little steamer above, and then we're just going to put that in for a few minutes just to kind of see what we're going to lift to.
So first things first, she did a test, and this is very important for everybody. When you go do your hair, you really have to make sure that the professional is doing the right thing. You know, some people will tell you, I had people telling me that, oh yes, it'll be exactly the photo you're showing me, but I didn't feel confident about it. And when I came to talk to her first time, that's one thing I really like it, because she's like, look, you show me the way you want, but I will do my best to fit in with your skin tone and, you know, in my hair. So that's awesome. So when you find someone to do your hair, you need to make sure someone tells you this. You know, they cannot make a miracle happen, but they can make the best. And now she will take the before and after.
Think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you just.
These are lifting pretty good. We're so excited. This is already lifting. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Oh, girl.
Oh my gosh. transition shade. And then on the ends, what I used, let's see if I can focus. There we go. So on the ends, I used a 7A and then a 9BA and then a little bit of a 7N, just to counteract all of that warmth. It's not orange. It's not orange anymore. Yay! And then I just put a hot towel over her too as well. I am so excited.
I wish you'd just accept that I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Neon waitlist got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding light in the ocean.
Don't forget to check my description box, her information in there. Check her Instagram, it's